Did you know a trusted pediatric nurse once murdered up to 60 children just to look like a hero? Janine Jones worked the night shift at Texas hospitals in the late 70s and early 80s. But instead of saving lives, she was taking them. Jones would inject healthy babies and children with deadly doses of heart medication called digoxin. This would cause their tiny hearts to stop beating. Then she would rush in, pretending to save them, hoping everyone would think she was amazing at her job. She picked the most helpless patients during quiet night hours when fewer people were around to watch. Time after time, children would suddenly go into cardiac arrest on her shifts. Some she could not bring back. When too many people started asking questions at one hospital, Jones would simply move to another one. The killing continued for 5 long years. Finally, doctors noticed something impossible. Way too many children were dying when Jones was working. The math did not lie. This fake hero was actually a cold-blooded killer.